Welcome to this Unzeenu.com video tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain a few things about the site. Here's how to register. Click the orange register button here and you'll be taken to the sign up page to fill out all your details. After registering, here's how to leave a message. Click the leave message button. Here you will have the ability to leave a message tagged to a location, the date and time where you met someone, or tag a message to a secret Unzeenu word you gave someone. Here's how to search for a message sent to you. Click search message and fill in the details. Also, if you saw a person in their car, you can send a message using their car registration number. When you use the mobile app, you will see the app frames where you can automatically capture their license plate number. And with the distance circle, you can see other Unzeenu members from a 10 meter to 1,000 meter range and directly send them a message. That completes this tutorial. Thank you for watching.